So viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. So in this video we will discussing about the live deployment of the camera in the office. So people will be count. You can see the one camera will be deployed on the Linux Mint machine operating system. So you can see the one person is going, how many person is going up and down, means in and out. You will change this display name one up and down. Up means in, means out. Okay, it is you depend on you what you want to use. It's your logic. Okay, so we are going to the real-time deploy on the computer vision project in office side. So here the demo. If you want to any this type of solution you want, link in description. Try it yourself. If you want to purchase from our sites, Pyresearch, and you go to our emails and order it. We will deliver it overall in Pakistan. Upcoming week we are working on the globally side. You want to purchase our sites, website will be releasing soon. So I hope you like it, and please support our channel for more getting information updates.